Tukianza the most common, the Suzuki Alto, hii ni kama chapa zile za smocha because they are commonly used and can be found almost everywhere you look. And as you continue, please like the video and subscribe. Na pia share this to someone who might find this information useful to them. The Suzuki Alto, perhaps the most popular Uber car in the current market, comes loaded with a 3-cylinder 655cc engine that produces a decent 55 horsepower. Yani gari kunywaga mafuta ni kunusa inanusa. And with this, hii gari huwa lightweight. Asi kwa kutei, but in terms of weight as it's only 700 kgs. Ikiwa light heavy na engine 55 horsepower, the Suzuki Alto becomes a relatively fast and efficient car for our roads. And speaking of efficiency, this motor vehicle boasts an incredible 20 to 25 km per hour fuel efficiency on city roads. Hii ni kama kutoka CBD mpaka airport with just 1 liter of fuel. Niambie usidili poa. The Alto also comes with a 27-liter fuel tank, 5-door, 4 seats and a top speed of about 140 km per hour. So mambo ya kuliza kwa barabara nayo haiwezi. With this, it's ideal for navigating through the hustle and bustle of city areas. The Daihatsu Mira, not common as the Alto, ni kama ingia butchery but wanauza kilo ya mbuzi same price na beef. Utashuku, lakini in real sense, it's just a good deal. The Daihatsu Mira boasts a 650cc KF engine that provides 51 horsepower, which is enough to take this tiny car through the streets of Nairobi with ease. Just as the Suzuki Alto, hii pia kwa mafuta usaga tu. Alafu, because it's tiny and has a relatively small engine, it's only 700 kgs. It's mated with a CVT gearbox ensuring all the power finds its way to the wheels smoothly and efficiently. Nayo hii gari, it has a good ride quality especially kwa bumps na mashimo. With this, it also boasts a 20-25 km fuel efficiency on city roads, making it practical for daily use within the city. Hii hata kwa traffic jam hawezi shtuka because it also has an eco-idle for enhanced fuel efficiency. To top it up, the Daihatsu Mira provides a 35-liter fuel tank which is slightly more than the Alto, and it's easily customized to fit in the LPG gas that is commonly used with this car, as it provides very little drawback when installed. The Nissan Days. First of all, chukuma alikosea jina ndio wakaita hivi, because to me, I'd call it the Nissan Mouse. Hauoni kama inafanya ile ya mouse ya computer? Ama ni mimi tu? Anyway, the Nissan Days packs a 3-cylinder engine with 6600 nini nasema? Enyewe, hiasa likuja na meli. The Nissan Days packs a 3-cylinder 660cc engine that generates 48 horsepower, which is a bit lower than the Mira and the Alto. It's a bit heavier than the two, weighing at 800 kgs. Easy kushtue because it has a fuel efficiency of about 18.3 km per liter, making it suitable for the navigating around the city. So with 1 liter of fuel, unaweza peleka client from CBD to Kawasukari bila stress. In addition, it has a 30-liter fuel tank, making it just the right pick for running errands around the city estates. Kenya ni best kwa hii gari, its delectable interior compared to the others. In fact, its interior is way better done than some more expensive cars from well-established brands. Tukibai kwa Surya looks, it also has a well-finished exterior compared to its counterparts, making its aesthetic more appealing to the eye. Ukiwa na hii gari, Surya looks, hautakuwa umebeat. The Subaru Plio. Karibu nisema Subaru Pilao, ni vile hizo jina karibu zifanane. But in this video, we'll just call it the Subaru Pilao. Ndio tusikuwe na chida ya matamchi. Kama unaikuwa Subaru boys, lakini ndio ya kwanza nafaa kwa job, this is the car to go for, because at least it's a Subaru. The Subaru Pilao packs a 660 engine cc that delivers a fantastic 51 horsepower to its forward wheels. Unlike its big brothers kama Impreza na Forester, huyu kijana akona a humble torsion beam suspension. Begging the question, is this truly a Subaru ama ni Daihatsu Mira chini ya maji? Just as a Daihatsu Mira, the Subaru Pilao also weighs 700 kgs and has a fuel efficiency of 20-25 km per liter. This is very similar to the Daihatsu Mira. Its small compact size makes it suitable to navigate narrow city streets with ease. And just as the Mira, it has a top speed of 140 km per hour. Sasa hapa kutoka kwa Subaru boost na speed, haitaweza. It has a slightly smaller fuel tank of 32 liters, which is capable of going from Nairobi to Mombasa with a full tank. Na utabakisha kiasi ukifika huko pia. It also has a 4-wheel drive variant available for those who want to drive on muddy terrains. The Toyota Pixies. Hata nyinyi mnajua, there is no car in Kenya and also the whole world that is as reliable and effective as the Toyota. And the Pixies being a Toyota, it serves the same purpose. One thing you need to keep in mind is that the Toyota is the parent company to Daihatsu and Subaru. And therefore, just as the Subaru Pilao and the Daihatsu Mira, the three will share some similarities. The Toyota Pixies comes with a 660cc engine that provides 51 horsepower just as the Subaru Pilao. It also has a CVT gearbox, ensuring all power finds its way to the wheels smoothly and effectively, just like the Daihatsu Mira. In terms of weight, The three have a similar 700 kg and a fuel efficiency of 20 to 25 km per liter. Just as the other two, the Pixies has a top speed of 140 km per hour. Ukiwa na hizi gari, haufai kuwa na haraka kufika place mapema if it's far, cause hata utakeaje, it will take time ndio ufike. Kwa story ya looks, it has a well thought out interior space for the driver as well as the passengers. Kwa hivyo story ya legroom na headroom iko tu sawa compared to the others. Another advantage being a Toyota, its spare parts are easily available and at an affordable price, as it's compatible with both the Hatsu Mira and the Subaru Pilao. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, don't forget to subscribe hapo, like the video and share it to someone who might find it interesting. Till next time, it's been your host Said. Take care and peace.